Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl igboticnono. Okay, in today's Learn Igbo, we're going to be learning useful phrases for daily conversation. I've made my notes here, so I might be looking this way from time to time. Do not be distracted. Okay, now here are some useful Igbo phrases for conversation. Okay, and number one here is kedu ka imelu. Kedu ka imelu. Okay, kedu ka imelu. Kedu ka imelu is how are you doing? How are you doing? Kedu ka imelu. And number two here is odemma. 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 Odemma means I am fine. Odemma. And another one here, remember, useful Igbo daily conversation. So these are important. You can have a pen and paper and be writing them down. Okay. Another one is kedu ahage. Kedu ahage. Kedu ahage. Kedu ahage. Kedu ahage is what is your name? What is your name? Be writing these things down on the paper. At the end of the day, you see the English translation. Then you see the reason why I said these are the Igbo phrases for daily conversation. You need it every day. So long you've gotten out from your house, you need to use this conversation. So they are very important. Another one here is ahamobu. 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 Ahambo. Whichever way you want to say it. Ahambo, meaning my name is blah 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 blah. My name is, you know your name. Okay. Another one here is dalu. 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 Dalu is thank you. Dalu is thank you. Another one here is ezibum. Ezibum. Ezibum can mean welcome in Igbo. Ezibum. Ezibum. Okay. Another one here is kedu ihe ị na-eme. Kedu ihe ị na-eme. Kedu ihe ị na-eme. Anambra will say kedu ife ị na-eme. But what I'm teaching on this channel is Central Igbo, Igbo's way, something everybody understands. So let's just stick to kedu ihe ị na-eme, means what are you doing? What are you doing? Another one here is na-eme ihe a. Na-eme ihe a maka. Na-eme ihe a maka. Na-eme ihe a maka. I'm doing this because. Na-eme ihe a maka. I am doing this because. Na-eme ihe a maka. Okay? Another one here is kachifo. Kachifo. Kachifo means good night. We'll see tomorrow. Okay? Kachifo. Another one here is kedu ihe na-akụ. Kedu ihe na-akụ means what is the time? Kedu ihe na-akụ. Kedu ihe na-akụ. Kedu ihe na-akụ, meaning what is the time? Kedu ihe na-akụ. Another one here is ndo. That is sorry. Ndo means sorry. Ndo, sorry. Okay? Ndo, sorry. Another one here is kedu ihe ị chọrọ ikwu. 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 Kedu ihe ị chọrọ ikwu, meaning what do you want to say? What do you want to say? Okay? Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma is good morning. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma is good afternoon. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma is good evening. Okay? Ka ọ dị. Ka ọ dị, it's bye bye. And kachifo, I've mentioned before, is good night. Okay? Chere godi. Chere godi is excuse me. Chere godi is excuse me. Chere godi is excuse me. If the person is your elder, you say biko chere godi. That is, biko is please. But if you're within age range, you can say chere godi. But when the person is your senior, you have to put some respect. This is not Western world that everybody addresses regular. So, but Africans, we are used to respecting one another. So we accord respect when somebody is your elder. So you say, Biko chere godi means please, excuse me. Bahara. Bahara can mean pardon me. Biko bahara, please pardon me. Okay? It also means please, I'm sorry. So we can use it in both instances. Ị na-asụ oyibo? Ị na-asụ oyibo? Ị na-asụ oyibo? Do you speak English? Ị ma asụ oyibo? Ị ma asụ oyibo? Can you speak English? Ka anyị sụọ oyibo? Ka anyị sụọ oyibo? Let us speak English. Do you see the differences? So just say it that way. And I hope these phrases will be helpful in your daily conversations. Put down what I said now and the translation in a note. When you look at the translations in the English, you see that these are daily Igbo phrases, conversation that you need every day. Like I said, you need it every day as a beginner, as somebody who is learning Igbo, who wants to learn Igbo. These are the first instance daily conversation phrases in Igbo language. And I hope these phrases is going to help you with your daily conversations, like I said. Now, if you've watched to this point and you've not yet subscribed, why? You have to pay my effort with putting down, subscribing to the red button there. It's free, and turning on the bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.